On the next True Ricola Stories. Angela was an up-and-coming starlet on the Dubuque brunch circuit. But during the fall of 2014, tragedy struck. Angela arrived at Café de Ville looking a tad peaked.
I woke up with a sore throat, but I figured I could just Ricola and rally. Everyone was counting on me because I had all the details on Tina Lomberg's botched chin job. She looked like Jay Leno. So, they were removing the dimple and...
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Poor Angela had left her Ricolas in her other purse, back home.
They left me there coughing. With the check. Told me I would never brunch in this town again. They took my pride. And the rest of my mimosa.
Deception, chin jobs, and coughing on the next True Ricola Stories.